Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Shopify cannot buy domain. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to head onto your Shopify admin page or your store page by going to admin.shopify.com. So the next step you want to do is to simply click on settings, which is located in the lower left corner of the screen. Now here in your settings, you want to select domains. So just find domains right here and click right here. And from here, as you can see, there is the option to buy new domain. So if you cannot buy a new domain, maybe the domain is already unavailable or being used by another person or another store. So what you want to do is to simply just try to type for your own domain and make sure that it is available. So for example, let's try this name. As you can see, it's not available. So let's try adding a number, and now as you can see, it is available for some dollars right here. So you just want to make sure the availability of your chosen domain. So if it's available and you can still buy the domain, what you want to do is to just clear the browsing data of your browser. So let's just click here in the upper right corner and select settings. Okay, so from here just click on privacy and security and simply select clear browser data. And you want to clear your browsing history, cookies and sachet emission files. Just simply click on clear data, and that's it. I hope this fixes your problem. And if you find this video helpful, please hit like button and subscribe the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.